hardworking, fashion-conscious, time-is-money city of nearly 1.5 million.
And the city is a fascinating melting pot of people and history. Italy recently surpassed Britain in per capita income, and that didn't happen because of its cute Riviera ports and Tuscan hill towns. Milan is Italy's industrial, banking, publishing, and convention capital.
France, Italy, Spain, Bosnia-Herzegovina, the United Kingdom, all these countries, whether big or small, are being threatened with the same problem, air pollution. According to the World Health Organization, this is now the environmental factor causing the greatest concern for our health. The European Environment Agency states that around 90% of the urban population in Europe is exposed to pollutants which are considered to be harmful.
Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acids. When people burn fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere. These gases react with water, oxygen, and other substances to form sulfuric and nitric acid.
So acid rain is bad, you guys, like really bad. It toxifies lakes and streams, destroys forests, and threatens entire plant populations. Acid rain is even harmful to urban environments where it eats away at limestone and marble buildings, all because its pH is crazy.
Pollution in Italy's industrial powerhouse Milan has got so bad the mayor is taking action.
Milan imposed a total ban on private cars for 3 days.
Winds may spread these acidic solutions over hundreds of miles. After it falls to Earth, acid rain enters water systems as runoff and sinks into the ground. This can make water toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and other aquatic animals. Acid rain also harms forests by damaging trees' leaves, robbing the soil of essential nutrients, and making it hard for trees to take up water.